Hello mga manay! Let's take a look at the JMS Transient House. It's right here in Balboc, Batangas City. This is perfect for your family or maybe for your loved one. Sayang lang at wala akong minamahal mga manay. Gusto mo ba tayo na lang? Importante happy lang mga manay, di ba? And maybe it's fate that it will be like this. At sigurado ako, babalik-balikan mo ako, ang JMS Transient House.
Mare,
Hi, JMS Transient.
hello.
Hi, Mare.
Hey, say hello, Manay.
Hello, Manay.
Yes. Hello, the honor of JMS Transient.
Hi, hello. Come and visit us.
Yes mga manay, JMS Transient House!